Hi, I'm Ashok Kumar, a seasoned Salesforce developer with over 3 years of experience in Salesforce and a strong foundation in Java development. My journey in software development began with Java, where I developed scalable and secure applications before transitioning into Salesforce development. In my role as a Salesforce developer, I have specialized in creating custom applications using Apex, Visualforce, and Lightning components. I am adept at designing complex workflows, managing user permissions, and ensuring data integrity through validation rules and security settings. One of my projects I'm particularly proud of involved integrating Salesforce with Moodle LMS using REST API. This required extensive customization and optimization of both systems to ensure seamless data flow with minimum latency. Before diving into Salesforce, my focus was on Java development, where I worked extensively with Core Java, Java 2 Enterprise Edition, and frameworks like Spring Hibernate. I have developed and maintained backend services that power large scale applications, ensuring they are robust, secure, and efficient. My experience includes building RESTful and SOAP web services, which have been essential in integrating Java applications with various platforms. This expertise has been invaluable in my Salesforce work, especially when dealing with complex integration scenarios. One of the key projects I worked on was for financial services company where I developed a custom Salesforce application to manage client data and transactions. The project required creating complex business logic with Apex triggers and custom Visualforce pages for an intuitive user interface. The integration with their existing Java-based CRM was particularly challenging, but we achieved seamless data synchronization through custom REST APIs. Another notable project was building a cloud-based Java application using Spring Boot and Amazon Web Services. The application served as backend for mobile app, handling everything from user authentication to real-time data processing. This project was not only honed my cloud skills but also reinforced my commitment to building scalable and maintainable code. My approach to development is rooted in writing clean, maintainable code. I adhere to the best practices such as solid principles and designing patterns, which ensures that the applications I build are scalable and easy to maintain. I am also a strong advocate for continuous learning, regularly updating my skills with the latest in Salesforce and Java ecosystem, whether it's experimenting with new features in Spring Boot or exploring the latest Salesforce Lightning components. I'm always looking to push the boundaries of what's the possible. On Upwork, I offer a range of development services tailored to your business needs, whether you need custom Salesforce development, complex Java backend services, or integration between disparate systems. I'm here to deliver solutions that are not only effective but also sustainable in the long run. I would love to help you with your next project. Feel free to check out my portfolio on the link above or get in touch to discuss how we can work together to bring your ideas to life. Let us build something amazing together. Thank you.